Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niecy, the beauty icon. So this is 3 weeks later, and I'm going to show you guys how I do a takedown. First of all, you're going to take your 70 proof alcohol and you're going to just saturate the hair. Make sure that it's thoroughly sprayed, and you want to let that alcohol sit just a little bit. Now you see me pulling just a little bit while I'm doing this, just to see if it's loosening up. Now the hair will let you know when it's ready, because as you're pulling, you can feel it give while you're doing this. So if you guys remember what I told you in the last video, by you gluing the illusion part so close to the base of the hair, you don't have to worry about snatching the hair out when it's pulling. And I'm not pulling hard here. I'm just kind of allowing the alcohol to set, and almost like I'm waiting on the hair to say, hey, I give up. So I'm just lightly pulling the hair off the base of the hair. And as you can see, there's no hair attached to it as I'm pulling. It's still good. You can actually see new growth in the hair. So now we're getting her prepped up for the next service by relaxing the sides. And she only just do the lower part of her hair. And like I say, this is a 3-week update, so we want to refresh that part. Now here you see me using the Neutra Twice, Straight Request, and the Moisture Plus. Now we have a guy named Mike that is our product distributor that comes in the salon and brings us these products. So I'm guessing you guys can probably contact the company, and they'll have somebody in your area to deliver these products if you guys want to use these products. So I'm going over the top with the Neutra Twice, and I'm just trying to saturate that hair and thoroughly shampoo that, relax her off as well. And I'm not pulling again, guys. The hair gives you a cue on when to start pulling. So don't think I'm just snatching the hair off the head. Just pay attention to the video, you guys, to see how gentle I am. And any of my clients will tell you that I'm pretty much really gentle, to the point where I'm tender-headed, so I don't like to really pull on anybody's hair. And besides, we promote healthy hair. So once I give this last pull, I'm showing you guys what this looked like. There's no loose hairs attached to this cap. If you really pay attention to the details, you see that it's pretty much flawless. And for all you guys that say it's too much glue and there's not enough protection, here's your evidence. So now you see the braid. I'm undoing the braid, and I'm going to show you guys in a few seconds how this hair has minimal shedding. So once I thoroughly rinse the Neutra Twice out, I'm going back over it with the Moist Plus product, and I'm just going to work it in really well. So now that I have thoroughly rinsed out the shampoo, you're going to see me follow up with the Power K60 Conditioner. It's such a great conditioner. I so love it. And I'm going to sit her under the dryer about 30 minutes. And then you'll see me bring her back and rinse again. And then we can prepare for the next process. And you see her hair still looks healthy, still looks full, still looks attached to her head. So here you see me using my Color Me Crazy Got to Go Leave-In Conditioner by Miss Nikki Smith. She's such a sweetheart. I love her, and her products are really good as well. So now I'm going to use my Conair Pro Silverbird hair dryer, and it's really good for pre-straightening the hair and getting it prepped up for braiding. And as you can see, the hair is so healthy, so strong. There's no breakage. Actually, it looks like it has grown a little bit since the last video that I recorded. So for all you naysayers that think quick weave, pull out the hair, is too much glue, anything that I guess contrary to what you see here, just know that there's a way to protect your hair and to keep your hair healthy while you're doing any quick weaving process. Okay guys, that's it for my 3-week update. I hope this video answered a lot of questions, and if not, please comment below and I'll try to respond to the questions that you have for me. And I also want to say thank you guys for your love and support, and I love you guys, and God loves you, and don't forget to seek God first in everything. And you guys be blessed.